Hello and welcome to this guide on how to trade cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies have taken the world by storm, and trading them can be both exciting and profitable. In this guide, we will cover the basics of cryptocurrency trading, including what cryptocurrency is, how to choose a cryptocurrency exchange, how to buy and sell cryptocurrency, and some tips for successful trading. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It is decentralized, meaning it is not controlled by a central authority like a bank or government. Instead, it operates on a peer-to-peer network, where transactions are verified by other users on the network. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are many others, including Ethereum, Litecoin, and Dogecoin. To trade cryptocurrency, you will need to use a cryptocurrency exchange. There are many different exchanges to choose from, and it can be overwhelming to decide which one to use. Some factors to consider when choosing an exchange include security, fees, user-friendliness, and the range of cryptocurrencies available. Some popular cryptocurrency exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Buying and selling cryptocurrency. Once you have chosen an exchange, you can start buying and selling cryptocurrency. To buy cryptocurrency, you will typically need to link a bank account or credit card to your exchange account. You can then use this account to purchase cryptocurrency, either by placing a market order which buys at the current market price or a limit order which sets a specific price you are willing to pay. To sell cryptocurrency, you will simply place a sell order, either at the current market price or a specific price you choose. Tips for successful trading. Trading cryptocurrency can be risky, so it's important to approach it with caution. Here are a few tips for successful trading. Before buying any cryptocurrency, do your research and make sure you understand the technology, the market trends, and the risks involved. Set a budget. Decide how much money you are willing to invest in cryptocurrency and stick to that budget. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Diversify your portfolio. Instead of putting all your money into one cryptocurrency, consider investing in a variety of different cryptocurrencies to diversify your portfolio and reduce risk. Use stop-loss orders. A stop-loss order is an order that automatically sells your cryptocurrency if it reaches a certain price, protecting you from sudden drops in the market. Stay up to date. Keep up to date with the latest news and developments in the cryptocurrency world, as this can affect the value of your investments. And that's it for this guide on how to trade cryptocurrency. Remember, cryptocurrency trading can be exciting and profitable, but it's also risky. Approach it with caution, do your research, and follow these tips for successful trading. Good luck!